This time, we repaired the exposed concrete wall. This is a site that was once repaired by another company. Budget? Construction period? I don't know if it's convenient, but it seems that the client didn't give the okay to other companies. So the client requested our company to rework it. This is a photo before repair. Other companies have already repaired it, so it's not that bad. But if I dare to mention the points that I'm worried about. 1. Top line is not aligned. 2. Deletion of extra separate hole patterns. And creating a separate hole pattern, parts with white stickers. 3. Elastite with cement paste still attached. 4. Lot of pinholes. 5. Overall pattern is unbalanced. Now, let's fix it. Fill in excess separate hole patterns and pinholes with repair resin. After adjusting the height, finish it flat with C repair lining. Mark a straight line for the top line. Cut the extra parts with a diamond cutter. After creating a separate hole pattern in the original position, the base work is complete. After that, apply a 20-year resistant silica-based paint with a roller in the following order. Undercoat paint. Middle coat material. Base color. Patterning. Top coat. Repair completed. Some of the materials used this time can be purchased at our store. Please subscribe and visit our website. Thank you for watching.